This is section 3.7, reviewing options not requiring lender consent. So one option that obviously the lender does not have to agree with or consent to is a bankruptcy. This can be an effective way for a borrower to keep a home. Quickly, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows homeowners to reorganize their debt and pay it back according to a plan approved by the court. Basically what that means is they're going to have to pay their regular mortgage payment, and then their bankruptcy plan is going to have to account for paying for their arrears over either a 3-year or 5-year period, along with potentially some of their other debts. If the homeowner wants to pursue bankruptcy, refer them to a bankruptcy attorney. It's not your job as a housing counselor to answer questions for them about bankruptcy. Also, you could be towing a fine line in terms of giving legal advice without a license. That'll be covered in more detail in Unit 8, which is in the Foreclosure 2 course. If there's litigation, and the mortgage holder, for instance, refuses to correct an error, or it appears to be an abusive loan in terms of the way it was originated. Also, if clients are wishing to pursue litigation, you're going to want to again refer them to an attorney. Again, more on this in Unit 8. So, staying until eviction. Some people just decide to ride it out, stay in the property until the foreclosure process takes place, and that's fine. And sometimes it's the best option for somebody. They've been denied for a workout option. Bankruptcy's not going to help them. Deed in lieu is not possible, or short sale is not possible because of junior liens, for instance. Then their only real option is to just ride out the foreclosure. If they've already received a Chapter 7 discharge, there's really no benefit to doing there's no extra benefit to a short sale or a deed in lieu because they've already discharged their personal obligation on the loan. So the homeowner has a right to stay in the property until an actual eviction occurs. That's going to be state specific in terms of what the procedure is to actually evict them. In some states, the bank can simply go back to the court following the sheriff's sale and get an order from the court allowing them to physically remove the person from the home. Basically, that protects the home from vandalism that can occur if the house appears to be vacant, so that way the bank can take back possession, lock the doors, do any winterizing that needs to be done, that sort of thing. Now, the other thing is that this option can give the homeowner the maximum amount of time to get their orders in a fair, plan to move, save money if at all possible, so that they can move into an apartment. And that is the end of section 3.7, reviewing options not requiring lender consent.